Hello guys, welcome to Simply Srireviews, and this is your Shri here. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you all an insight about baking soda, which we people use it for various beauty purposes on our skin and especially our face, but without realizing or understanding how it actually works. Today, I'm going to enlighten you with the facts about baking soda, and without further delay, let's get started. Baking soda is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which dries out your skin and helps in getting rid of acne, breakouts, itching, and sebum production. But ever have you wondered how, or ever did you get to know how baking soda helped in getting rid of them? If it's no, then please continue watching this video to get to know the true side of baking soda. But to understand this, we have to learn pH of our skin. A pH scale appears to be a vertical line ranging from 1 to 410 with 7 as neutral, and towards the left from 1 to 7 it is acidic in nature, and towards the right from 7 to 410 it is non-acidic or alkaline. Baking soda's pH level is 9, which is alkaline and non-acidic in nature. So this is the reason why our skin dries out when you apply baking soda on our skin. And as I told you, baking soda's pH is 9. While applying it on your face or skin, it tends to alter the natural pH of the skin. Yes, it is mandatory and important to maintain a healthy pH level ranging from 4.7 to 5.75. And this increase in pH level can lead to dryness, irritation, and other side effects. So guys, invest wisely in your skin. And I hope today's video was helpful in understanding how baking soda works on our skin and how it actually helps in getting rid of acne. And while it does, we also learned other matters associated with it. And I hope you guys like this video, and please do share and comment, and please be looking forward for our next video on skin barrier. Thank you.